Mini fridge, 10 superb benefits you need to know. Milkwood. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For the majority of individuals, a refrigerator is an essential home appliance. Space saving. Portable. Convenience of usage. Energy efficient. The lesser capacity reduces energy consumption dramatically. Extra storage. Affordability. Aesthetic value. Variety of designs and sizes. Sturdy designs. In comparison to earlier models, modern models are far more complex and durable. Easy to maintain. For frequent cleanings, you may simply reach the refrigerator's components.